All right, these guys from the CellTerm store sent me these heat shrink. Well, basically they are heat shrink. This is in cable sizes, which go from basically about 1 inch, from 1/2 inch to 1 inch sizes for doing cables here. So we already have a log on here. Now typically what you do is you put the heat shrink on first before you do the log. And then we're just going to heat it up to shrink it. See if we got enough juice here. And that should be it right there. Nice solid connection. And this is a double wall, not that single wall stuff. So you should be good to go with this. I like it. I like a good heat shrink, and this is good stuff.